Alright, so this is the first video I'm uploading to YouTube. A lot of people were telling me to document the process of this truck. Never ended up really doing it. I guess I just got carried away with trying to finish it. But this is my 86 Nissan pickup. I have an engine swap on it, which is a CA18 DET. And I've probably had the swap for about 2 years, I think. And I'm gonna do a whole different swap on this truck. I'm gonna end up selling this whole setup, and I'm gonna put this LS. So a little bit about this truck. It has a CA18 DET. Haven't really done anything to it. Has performance coil packs, SR20 radiator. It has a CX Racing intake, some piping I got off of eBay. I rebuilt the whole turbo with gaskets and all that, water lines, oil lines. Haven't really done anything to the engine. Wanted to keep it stock, simple built or swap. Interior wise, have bucket seats. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. I did all digital gauges on it. So right here, so coolant, RPMs, voltage, gas. I converted the dashboard from an 86. The 86 is a little bit more square. This is from a 97. I like these better. My other one was pretty messed up. Starts pretty good. It's a pretty good engine. Starts right up. Probably let it warm up a little bit. I have a 3-inch exhaust. I don't know if you can really tell. It's on the other side. 3-inch exhaust. Yeah, it's too dark, but from all the way it's straight pipe. Fairly easy swap. The only thing that I probably had to modify was the drive shaft and motor mounts, pretty much. That's it. Stock ECU. Runs perfect. Cool. Little clean build. All good. And I'm planning on getting rid of this, selling engine, transmission, everything that involves the swap, and putting this 5.3 engine I bought on Facebook Marketplace. Can you tell here? Probably too dark for that too. This says 5.3 on the back. So far I swapped out the NOx sensors. I'll probably post some pictures right now. This was pretty dirty. It was all full of grease, leaves. I degreased the whole engine, painted the whole engine. Valve covers, some accessories that I had. I took off the water pump, the power steering, AC compressor. I'm gonna be running probably a LS3 water pump, because I think the water neck is somewhere around here. The truck one is right here. Also, I'm gonna try to find the LS3 intake for clearance, and it also looks better. Probably keep the stock headers. I have the other one over there. These are all the parts I took off. You know, all the parts, coil packs, the header. I also have the 4L60 it came with. I'm planning on running the automatic transmission as well. I find out a manual transmission I could put on,